Hey everyone, this is Dan with Learning to Smoke, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing here of the Nomad Grill. It's a portable grill, and we're going to find out more about it. All right, so this Nomad Grill, it doubles as a grill and a smoker. And the thing about this box, it's probably about, I don't know, probably about 28, 30 pounds, something like that. It has two handles, as you'll be able to see here. So it's easy to lift. So that's a cool thing there when you're getting this shipped to you, or you pick it up at a store. It'll be easy to carry. So let's open up the box and see what it's all about. There we go. Got that opened up. Finally. So as we open up the box here, put the knife away. Safety first. Or second in my book. Okay, so this came complimentary. I reached out to the good folks at Nomad. Told them that I wanted to test out this grill, so they did send this product to me. But anyway, so they sent this along with it. It's just a three-piece toolkit set. You can get separately. Let's open this back up here. All right. So with it, get some, looks like a complimentary sticker, matchbook, which is going to help out a lot. Or a matchbox, I should say. Box of matches. Matchbook, matchboxes, they're about the same thing, right? All right, so here's the look when you open it up. So this is what it looks like from the top angle, and it shows you some of the cool features of the grill here, which we'll go over a little bit as we open this up. So we'll pull that out. Just a tray. All right, it's well protected here. I'm gonna pull this up and see if this is easier just to take out here as I pull up. Yep, sure enough, just that. Right, I'll tell you what, I will lay this down and slide it out. Okay, so here we are in the plastic. There's Nomad. You can see this plastic here. Let me turn around. Looks like it has a lid that's taped together. It's got a little seal that you just pull right off. And the grill just pulls right out. Just like that. So let's take a look at this beast. So right now, this thing is 28 pounds. And the dimensions of it, you're gonna have just over 20 inches, like 20.5 inches wide. It's gonna be 9.5 inches tall and 13.5 inches long. So width times length times height, right? So 20.5 by 13.5 by 9.5 is what we got on the outside. And so easy to use handle there, it's awesome. Or it's die-cast aluminum on the outside, and it's anodized, so it won't stain, it won't rust that easily. So it's got those features to it too. And you see a lot of holes in this thing. So the reason for all the holes is because those are air vents that help keep this outside surprisingly cool. Because one thing to know when you're using a grill is that usually the grill gets really hot. You may know that from cooking on all your grills in the backyard or wherever you're at. But with this type of grill, the way that it's set up, it won't be as hot. It'll still get hot, but it won't be terribly hot out there. So it's best to use this thing on a metal surface when you're cooking. I would not recommend using it on a plastic surface. You can use it on concrete as well as you want. But anyway, and then you got a temperature gauge right here, which is pretty neat. And then you'll notice these little slots on the side, because this Nomad, it's not just a grill, but it's a grill slash smoker. And so what you can do here is you can use these vents to help control the airflow. You do little clicks there, let you know you're getting direct or indirect heat there. And it even says, if you look closely, you got the close and the open symbols. But let's open this up, shall we? So it looks easy to open. I've never used one before, by the way. All right, hold on. We latch it up, pull back, and now we open. So as we open it, got some solid metal interior here. Comes with a grate. I'd say this grate weighs about 2 or 3 pounds. But anyway, so you put the grate down, obviously for cooking your food. Cool thing about the grates, they're interchangeable. So it comes with one, which is ideal for smoking, so that way you can close the lid down. But if you want to do grilling, if you want to expand your grilling space, you can still use this, but you can also buy a second one sold separately, and it's in there. And this is magnetized, it looks like. Watch this. See that? Grate's not falling out. I think they do that for safety reasons and convenience. Well, that's awesome. So it's like that on both sides. See that? Did not know that. That's awesome. And so in these baskets here, you put your coals in, and so this is all set up to help with that. You got these little grates inside of it that help the airflow there. And you'll see the air vents too. You see air vents over here. And you also got some over here too. But anyway, you could have yourself a cookout on this thing. And the cool thing is you can take that anywhere. It's perfect for tailgates, perfect for camping, wherever you are. Let's close this up. Let's latch it back together. So lift up like that, pull, boom, okay. There it is. We'll see about the efficiency of it. This is just an unboxing video. I will do some cooks on that, so stay tuned. I'll do a few cooks and give a full-on review later, but I wanted to get the unboxing out there to you now. So for those of you who are interested in what it was like to get the product shipped to you and open it up and just know what it's about, that's your review right there. So thanks for tuning in, and make sure to stay tuned for when I do a full review on this thing. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to like and subscribe.